WebFOCUS reports via a URL. So actually in here, I created some report on my system. So I got my report, which is here. So that report, actually, we can edit. So looking in here, it's a quite simple report. We have year as a parameter as part of that report. So straightforward. So I can select a year and I got my data. So, but now I don't want to run that report from within WebFOCUS. Actually, I want to create a URL to open up that link without going through the hub first. So to do so, let's go to the basic syntax. So the basic syntax to run a report is going to look like this. So it's going to be the machine name and the port. It's going to be your context root here, and that's the syntax in here. So it's going to view parameters. So it's going to be the BIP request type, which is BIP run, which is a fixed. It's going to have the folder and it's got the item. That's the basic syntax. So to build that for my little report, we need to get to a few things. So first, let's go back to the browser. So I want to get the URL and the folder, so to say, for that one. So I can simply click here, go to properties, and in here is all I need. So I can click on that little copy icon here. So going back to my text editor, let's paste it. So we have what we need in here. So we got the folder and we got the report. So let's build a URL. So we need those two lines. So let's go for it. So let's build it now. So remove that one, remove that slash. So now we have to take that folder thing here. And let's keep it there, by the way. So we're going to go for that placeholder here. Put in the folder, including the final dash, the final slash in here. So now we're going to go for the name of the fax, which is going to go in here. So we have most of it now. So we can copy that URL, go over here, open up a new window, paste it in here, and it's running. Currently, it's not sending a parameter yet because it's defaulting to nothing as a filter. If I want to send the year parameter, we can go back over here. So there's our report. So if I'm going to go to outline, content in here. So there's the content. I can right click, select view source code. And there's my parameter. So I need to get the parameter name, which is actually this one here. So it's, oops, not that much. So we only need it until here. So until that period here. So now we're going to go back to our thing here. So put it into a new line. So the parameter that we send is going to be 2023. So the only thing we have to do is take it, go to our URL here, go to the end of it, add that one to the end of the string. So again, we can now copy the URL again, open up a new window in here, paste that one, and we go for year 2023. To double check, of course, we can go to something like 1899. Send that one, which of course is not going to get us any data because it doesn't match to the data in the report. So that's the basic and simple way to get to a URL to run a WebFOCUS report that resides in the repository. Straightforward. I'm going to put the URL pattern into the video description. So if you want to copy it from there, feel free to do so. Actually, of course, keep in mind, it's not going to bypass WebFOCUS security. So I'm logged in, so I've got a valid login. That's why I can run those reports by URL. If not, I would need to sign into WebFOCUS. So if let me go for this one here. So we got our link. So let me open up a incognito window and run it again. I'm not going to get that one because I don't have a valid sign-in. Of course, you can set up WebFOCUS to prompt for a user. You could also allow WebFOCUS to accept anonymous access to reports. But as this report is a protected report in my private folder, it's not available until I got a valid session. That's it for now.